वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम करेंगे लेटर जी।
So let's see, kids. Make a left big curve like C. Go up, make a slipping line and then make a standing line. This is our letter G. G is phonic sound of G. So kids, G G grapes. G G girl. Okay. Now look at here, kids. How can we make letter G? Very good. Do practice with us. Another method of to make G, that is make a left big curve like C and go upward and now make a slipping line inside. Okay. Very good. Letter G G. Letter G G. Now kids, look at the picture of letter G G.
Grapes.
G G grapes.
G God.
G G
girl. G glass. G
gun. And now kids, it's time to revision from A to G. So kids, देखिए how we can make letter A. Make a slanting line. Again make a slanting line and then make a slipping line. This is our letter A. Apple. Now make standing line. Make a right small curve and again make a right small curve. This is our letter B. The ball. B the boy. Okay. Now it's time to write letter C. The cat. Make a left big curve. This is our letter C. K. K is phonic sound. C. The cat. And now letter B.
Dog.
Make a standing line and make a right big curve. This is our letter D. The dog. Now after letter D, letter E comes. Which letter comes? Letter E. E comes. Now make a standing line and 3 times make slipping line. 1, 2 and 3. This is our letter E. Egg. E. Elephant. E. Elbow. Now F for fish. Make a standing line and make slipping line 2 times. 1, 2. F for fish. F for frog. Okay. Now after letter F, what letter come? Which letter come?
G grapes.
No.
G girl.
Very good. Now kids, देखिए एक बार फिर से how we can make letter G. Make a left big curve like C. Go upward and make a slipping line and then make a standing line. This is our letter G grapes. Now kids, एक बार फिर से आप पिक्चर्स देखिए G grapes की. G girl. G
God. G grapes. G glass. G gun.
Very good. And now A. Apple.
B ball.
C. Cat.
D dog. E elephant. F fish.
G grapes. Very good. G is phonic sound of G. G G. G G. A B B. C K. B D. E F G G. Thanks for watching. Take care till then. Bye bye.